नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। This is JVN Dr. Vishal Sagarna, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the module transpose and inverse of matrices. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics in the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. So first we see what is meaning of matrix transpose. The transpose of n by n matrix A is the n by m matrix AT obtained by interchanging rows and columns of A. That is AT Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. That means in simple words the transpose of a matrix is given by the interchanging of rows and columns. Like first column is replaced by first row, second column is replaced by second row, and so on. Example: a matrix A is given that consisting of 2 rows here and 4 columns. So its transpose is given by AT, and it is equal to, we can see the first row of A becomes in AT the first column 1, 3, 5 and minus 2, while the second row of the matrix A 5, 3, 2, 1 is the second column of the transpose of the matrix A. So this is the transpose of the matrix. Now next, inverse of the matrix definition. The inverse of matrix A is written by A inverse and only when it is applicable, when A multiplied by A inverse is equal to A inverse multiplied by A, and that is equal to I. Sometimes there is no inverse at all. So it means the inverse of the matrix exists when A multiplied by A inverse is equal to I, and this is also equal to A inverse into A. Now we take a matrix of 2 by 2 order, and one matrix is given that here A, B, C, D is the matrix, and now we have to find its inverse. So the inverse of the matrix is given by like A, B, C, D in the matrix notation and power minus 1. So this is equal to 1 upon AD minus BC, which is called the determinant of the matrix ABCD. It is the determinant, and multiplied by the a matrix D minus B minus C and A. So in other words, swap the positions of A and D, put negatives in front of B and C, and divide everything by the determinant AD minus BC. So this is called the inverse of the matrix of order 2 by 2. So it is also equal to, the inverse of the matrix is also given by the adjoint of the matrix divided by its determinant. Adjoint of the matrix is given by the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A. Transpose of the cofactor matrix of A divided by determinant. So in this matrix of order 2 by 2, just we have seen here the position of A and D are interchanged. So D and A, and the negative sign, the reverse sign of B and C is coming in the right hand side for the inverse matrix. Minus B and minus C is coming there. In other words, swap the positions of A and D, put negatives in front of B and C, and divide everything by the determinant AD minus BC. So now we take an example like here. Our matrix 4, 7, 2, 6 is given that, and we have to find its inverse. So So matrix, the inverse of the matrix is given by the same way. The position of 4 and 6 are interchanged, and the position of 2 and 7 remains same, but negative sign will come there, and the determinant of the matrix is there in the divide sign. Like the determinant of the matrix, it is here 4 into 6 minus 7 into 2. So this is equal to like 1 upon 10, and the matrix is 6 minus 7 minus 2 and 4. So in the similar way we can find the inverse of the other matrices of order 3 into 3 and 4 into 4 and so on. What is the formula there to find inverse? That is 1 upon determinant of the matrix A. Suppose the matrix A is there whose inverse is required. So the formula of inverse is 1 upon determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of the matrix A. So adjoint of the matrix is given by the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Revati Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.